गलती वो जोड़ लो.
First of all, guys, for learning this, I would suggest to you guys watch this video of mine before, which is on heel toe, which will help you to do this step much easily. So put your first leg on heel, then slide a bit out, and then have your other leg going crisscross behind. Heel and then slide outwards and then crisscross behind, like that. Then start with the other leg. Same, put your left leg outside on your heel, then criss in and then go out and then come. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do that once again. One thing to note over here is the beats are not 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Like you see here, it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you see, when I do the 2, I do the heel toe with my leg, right leg behind, and then 3. So that's the tricky part. 1, 2, 3. So you do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and that's how you go by the beats. You have to lose one beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now let's see it from the back side. We start from 1 and then 2 and 1, 2, 3. So you toe slightly outwards, then toe, then inside, and then go back. Out, in, and then out. So it's out, up, down, and then when you do the 3, then you place your left leg down. 1, 2 down, 1, 2 and 3 down, and criss your other leg behind. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You have to practice a lot, guys, and I would like to see some of you performing this. So good luck.
गलती वो जोड़ लो. वो जोड़ लो.